The outgoing year 2020 proved to be an exceptional year for water and hydropower sectors in the country, as the Pakistan Water and Power Development Authority succeeded in achieving the historic milestones in the two sectors during this year. Besides generating highest ever low-cost hydroelectricity, WAPDA also initiated construction work on the long-delayed mega multi-purpose Dia Mir Bhasha Dam project in 2020. WAPDA hydel generation continued to surge during 2022. As many as 22 hydel power stations owned and operated by WAPDA across the country generated 38.3 billion units, which is the highest ever generation in a year. This record generation includes 12.08 billion units from Tarbela, 4.98 billion units from Tarbela 4th extension, 6.48 billion units from Ghazi Barotha, 5.76 billion units from Mangla, 4.93 billion units from Neelam Jhelum, and 4.07 billion units from rest of the hydel power stations. WAPDA hydel generation in 2020 stands 3.8 billion units more if compared with that of 2019, benefiting the country with about 53.2 billion, as the National Exchequer had to bear the brunt of 53.2 billion rupees if this additional electricity would have been generated through thermal source. Removing obstacles in the way to implementing the project, WAPDA started in July this year construction of Dia Mir Bhasha Dam, a vital project for water, food and energy security of the country, with gross water storage of 8.1 million acre feet, live water storage of 6.4 MAF and power generation of 4500 megawatt. Despite coronavirus pandemic, construction work continued satisfactorily on Mohmand Dam during 2020. The project was initiated in May 29, with completion of Mohmand, Dia Mir Bhasha, Dasu and several other ongoing projects from 2024 to 2029. Hydel power generation will enhance from existing 9,389 megawatt to about 20,500 megawatt, more than double with addition of 11,122 megawatt. Similarly, live water storage capacity in the country will also increase from the existing 15.1 MAF to 23.4 MAF with an addition of 8.3 MAF.